is a jellyfish. Jellyfish can light up in the ocean, like when it's really dark, and that's really cool. Isn't it fun to watch the ocean and how, like, pictures are cool, but videos are better? Do seagulls also eat insects, just like all the other birds? Well, not all birds eat insects. See, oceans are lovely to watch. But it would be better if you actually saw in real life. You would actually, oh my god, I don't know how to pronounce it. Not pronounce, but like, I don't know how to say it. This is like a really big fish. That fish, I've never seen such a thing. That's huge. Is that a dolphin or a shark? I do not know, because kind of, I have a feeling it's a dolphin, not a shark. Actually, no, shark. I actually don't know. Probably a shark. But I've never seen a shark swim that fast, so I don't know what it is. Another ocean. Like, I'm not annoyed that there's too many oceans. It's just, I know, it's so cool, yeah, but like too much oceans in one video is kind of boring. So like adding more oceans would make it more boring, but adding more like showing animals would be better. I thought lighthouses were fictional. I thought they weren't real. Oh my gosh, are those tiny or big? Because they look huge. Is that a fish up close? Because they're freaky. I love looking at Clearwater. Clearwater looks so good. Wow, this video is going on for really long. Another ocean. Well, it's not annoying, but like, just too much oceans. Like, we need more animals in this video, not just an ocean. Yeah, what is that? That's huge. That's creepy because the eyes just moved. And they left their mouth open, which is creepier. See, like fish. Looking at fish in the ocean is beautiful. Oh my gosh. What's it called? A stingray. A stingray, yes, stingray. They are kind of creepy, because if you look at it close and it smiles, like it looks like there's a smile on its face, which is creepy. Okay, now that looks like a great white shark.